Okay, hold on.
Yeah, here we go. Yeah, more fire. Yeah, it's in. Well, that's out of it, but it's okay. Здрасте. А, ну это для воды.
Может быть, калаш.
Nice. So you may notice the crossbow was a little bit charred. We had a slight incident. We thought the safety was off, but actually it was on. So when we lit the firecracker, I pulled the trigger, nothing happened. So I had to throw down the crossbow. We ducked, and we put out a huge garbage fire here in this dump. Now we're gonna try again, ensuring that the safety is in fact off, and let's see what happens.
Okay, safety off. Ready?
Yep. Dun 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 dun. Well, but don't you want to put them somewhere that we can cook them, Misha? Uh-oh. Hey, let's take them to. Uh-oh, it's okay. Just leave it, Misha. Let's take them somewhere that we can cook them. Okay, come on. Whoa! Ah! Wait. Let's. So, they say you shouldn't turn your back to a tiger. My theory is that by doing so, I might encourage him to come over. And hey, there he is. Oblivious. How good is this fence? Been good enough. Fresh meat. Yeah, Blaze. Yeah, I turned my back to him and then he came right out stalking me. Ooh, a tiger. Yeah.
He just squirted. She just squirted. Or whatever it's called, the monkey.
Hey, first shot, not bad. Okay. So, that was the microwave. Let's see what's left. Pah! Smells like garbage. Yeah, that's broken. Hey, look, this pack didn't even go off. So that was only about half of what we put in. Nice. Yeah, look.
Well, didn't even explode this one.
Well, I may as well do it from point blank now, right? No.